Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure Outlook is running and any non-standard add-ins are disabled so they don't reapply custom layouts. Once open, go to the View tab and locate Change View. You'll save the current view so you can restore it later. Save or export the view if you created custom columns or grouping. This preserves work before resetting. These steps prevent accidental loss, and they let you return to a known state after troubleshooting. Now you reset the folder view itself. Select the folder whose layout is wrong, inbox, sent items, or a custom folder, because Reset View only affects the selected folder. Then choose View, Reset View, confirm to revert columns, sorting, and reading pane positions. If you need to reset many folders, repeat per folder, or run the command line switch, Outlook. exe/clean views. This clears custom views across profiles. Use that switch only after saving any custom view exports, because it removes saved templates. Finish by restarting Outlook and checking that your default columns, sort, and reading pane behave as expected. If problems persist, run the command line cleanup switches like Outlook. exe/cleansniffers or create a fresh Outlook profile. These address corrupted view caches. Make sure to re-enable add-ins one at a time. If a layout breaks after enabling an add-in, you've found the culprit. If nothing works, restore the export you saved earlier. That gives you a clean, known good layout to return to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.